Rose here with Full and Fulfilled. Excited to have you tune in for today's video because this video is all about items that I love to have in my refrigerator at all times. It's mostly condiments because all other items that really are in my fridge are fruits and vegetables and anything that I prepare for my family every week, but these are some staple items that I love to have on hand at all times in my refrigerator, and they're mostly condiments. All right, soy milk. If you've been following along, I have a little bit of soy milk every morning in my coffee, and I also will put it in soups or sauces as needed, and I love the Trader Joe's brand, and so this is always in my fridge. All right, let's talk this brand. I absolutely love it. They have sauerkraut, they have dill pickles, all different types of pickles, and I just love it. So I always have it in my refrigerator, and sometimes I just crave a pickle. So I do add this onto my veggie burgers and so forth. So highly, highly recommend this brand. I love the Annie's brand of ketchup and Dijon mustard. Always have this on hand because who doesn't like ketchup and mustard? So these always have extra in my pantry actually that I add to the fridge. All right, we have soy sauce and coconut aminos. These two just end up being from Trader Joe's. I really like them. Clean ingredients in them. Highly recommend always having these on hand. If you have been following, you know that I love Dijon mustard and coconut aminos together for the most amazing salad dressing. Gotta try it out. I recently did a video where I made these egg rolls. Yes, they are vegan, and I am actually surprised by how clean the ingredients are. Highly recommend picking one of these up at the store and having them in your refrigerator on hand. I enjoy a sweet chili sauce, and I love to pair it with the egg rolls as the dip. So in this, I've done a video where I've done like cooked cabbage and things like that, rolled them up in these, and had this to dip. Hummus. It can be so hard to find oil-free hummus. I love this brand here. I enjoy it. It has clean ingredients, no oil, and if I want to change the flavor a little bit, I will sometimes add in like cumin into it, different types of spices to change the actual flavor since this is just a traditional hummus. Sky Valley taco sauce and red enchilada sauce. These sauces are so good. These will not disappoint. So I always like to have these two condiments available for taco night, pizza taco night, you know, all the things. So highly, highly recommend getting this brand of these two. I know that they have a few others, so check it out. This is another sweet soy sauce for rice. This will not disappoint. When I first tried like my first bottle a long time ago, I literally bought like 5 of these and I'm still using them, but highly, highly recommend trying this on your rice and vegetables. It really spruces up a rice bowl really, really nicely. Try it out. I hope this video was super insightful for just some of the things that I have on hand to be able to put with my veggies and starches. So I always look and see about what kind of meal I'm gonna make all around the starch. Then I add the vegetable, and there you can see all the condiments with no oil in them. It's actually pretty remarkable. I'm always on the hunt for more sauces that I just can't live without that have no oil. So if you have 1 or 2 or 3 that you would recommend, comment below. I want to hear from you, and I will see you next time.